of the Ames Chamber of Commerce, we'd like to welcome you on our bus tour. My name is Kathy Davis. I'm with the Iowa State Daily. Kelly Seeley will help me here tonight. She's also with the Iowa State Daily. I'd like to introduce you to Mark Davis, our driver. He's going to tell you a little bit about CyRide.
Hi, my name is Mark Davis. I'm from Creston, Iowa, and I'm a junior majoring in electrical engineering. I'm going to give you just a little overview of kind of what CyRide is and what we do. We're jointly funded by ISU, the government student body, and the city of Ames. We employ about 90 people, in which approximately 75% are students. We have 3 types of service available. The first is CyRide, and that's a premium door-to-door service for the elderly and handicapped. The next is NightRide. It's funded by the government and student body. It runs from 10:30 p.m. to 2 a.m. Friday and Saturday nights. It's a free service to students and anybody in the community, so if you come up on the weekend to see your kids and don't want to drive, call NightRide. We'll take you around. The third type of service is the fixed routes, and that's what your children probably ride the most. There's 7 routes, run 7 days a week, approximately 7 a.m. to midnight. They're color-coded and numbered, and before I forget it, I believe all your children did get schedules, last fall's schedules, so they'll be able to see. There won't be very many changes on it, but at least they can look at it and see what, how it looks. Their fixed routes go to all the hot spots. They go to Kmart in the West End, the mall, downtown, the bowling alley, all over the place. It's 30 cents for students to ride if they show their registration receipt, and that'll come with their fall classes. There's a little perforated part there. Or they can buy a semester pass for $48. That is figured on 2 rides a day, 5 days a week. So if they ride more than that, they're ahead. Adults are 70 cents to ride. If they bring a car to campus, tell them just to park it. They can't get on campus. The campus during the day is controlled by gates. Only ISU vehicles and CyRide can get on campus. If for some reason they do get on campus, they'll get a ticket, period. ISU parking systems last year, gave out 80,000 parking tickets. They start at $16 a ticket, so they will get a ticket if they park on campus. As far as riding CyRide, it's easy to ride. All they have to do is stand by a CyRide sign, bus stop sign. Driver will stop and pick them up. To get off, all they have to do is ring the bell, and the driver will stop at the next stop. I've had people tell me, they didn't realize how easy it was to ride, and I can kind of relate to that. We moved up here 2 years ago, and I took my kids on to show them how to ride the bus. We got close to our apartment, and I told them all I had to do was ring the bell, and the driver would stop at our apartment. Well, they were embarrassed. They didn't want to ring the bell. It ended up that we had to walk back to our apartment about 6 or 7 blocks by the time they finally realized that it wasn't that bad to ring the bell. So it is easy to ride. One last thing. Last fall, CyRide was awarded the U.S. Department of Transportation Award for Excellence in Public Transit. It's awarded to 5 companies every 2 years, and we're pretty proud of that, but we just tell everybody that we're the best in the world, so that takes care of everything. So if you have any questions about CyRide right now? Okay, if you have any questions about the city or anything, CyRide, just ring the bell. Don't be afraid. It's real easy to do, and somebody will try to answer it for you. Thanks.